In a country where access to quality healthcare is often a luxury, one organization has dedicated the past decade to changing the narrative. Hospitals for Humanity has provided free open heart surgeries to countless children in Nigeria, giving them a second chance at life. It all started with a vision to bridge the gap in healthcare. A team of dedicated professionals came together to form Hospitals for Humanity, with a mission to provide world-class medical care to those who need it most.
Yeah, my name is Dr. Segun Ojayi. I'm the CEO and founder of Hospitals for Humanity. Hospitals for Humanity started because one year I came back to Nigeria and I fell very ill, and I was actually admitted into one of the so-called best hospitals in Nigeria. And that hospital wasn't even comparable to the worst hospital in the United States. And it was at that time I knew that Nigeria had a better healthcare story to tell. And I wanted to be a part of that story. And I wanted to be an impact on the healthcare of Nigerians. I knew that if something was going to be done, that I had to make the effort myself and make sure that it was going to get done. So that was how the vision of Hospitals for Humanity came about.
Since congenital heart disease is such a life-threatening disease for children, it's important for Hospitals for Humanity to make sure that these children have a normal life. So our role here in this community and in every community where we affect children and their parents, it's important that we ensure that there are opportunities for these children to live normal lives. Every child deserves to live.
As we celebrate 10 years of this flagship program, we honor the resilience and courage of these children and their families. Meet Elizabeth, who was born with a congenital heart defect. Her family thought they had lost all hope until Hospitals for Humanity intervened.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
My name is Julet. My baby name is Daniel.
For 3 years now, they have been booking for him to get opportunity for the surgery, but today we come and see it in reality that the process is undergoing, and I believe it will come out successful.
Thank God for the surgery that they did for my son, Nadoze Daniel. The surgery was successful. I thank the Hospital for Humanity for the work that did for my son. And I pray that God will keep them to do this good job for everyone of having this program.
Over the past decade, Hospitals for Humanity has performed over 140 free open heart surgeries, saving countless lives and restoring hope to families across Nigeria.
So the role that we play, to me, is humongous. We have different organizations that come to Nigeria to help, but we, in our little way, we have really helped our children growing up whom can now actually play. When you see the 10-year-old who is failure to thrive, a 2-year-old who cannot crawl, a 5-year-old who cannot play football, it breaks our heart. But after the surgery, we see them because we follow them up and we see them doing things that the children need to be doing. That's a different role that we've played in our community.
Hospitals for Humanity has endeavored to have a very, very great strategy in approaching this problem. And we start with awareness. You have to first sensitize the community to know that the disease is in existence. Then after the sensitization, you have to bring them to screening, in which there is diagnosis of a disease. And after that diagnosis is made, then the report will show whether the children need surgery or some medications, or whether they don't need at all.
Askayen Osamala, and I am one of the beneficiaries of the good works of Hospital for Humanity. I was 14 years old, going to 15, when I was operated upon. That was 2015. And right now, I am 20 years. In 2 months' time, I'll be 21 years. And I'm still counting more years onto myself. It was never easy though, it was never easy. Friends calling me, this boy, the way you are small like this. They used to look down on me because I was tiny, short, and all of those stuff then. But thank God, Hospital for Humanity, you can see the approach, you can see the good work they have done in my life. As you can see, I'm fatter, though I'm slim now because of work and the rest. But yet, as you can see, I'm fatter, I'm bigger, and I'm even tall. Presently, right now in my house, I'm the tallest in my house.
In 2014, we did our first cardiac surgery, and the child that I remember, our first child, his name is Daas. Daas was 3 years old at that time. He was very, very timid, could not breathe, could not run, could not do anything as a normal 3-year-old child. But since then, since the surgery, Daas has been riding horses, he's been running races, he's been living the normal life of a child. He's now 11, 12 years old and just enjoying life as if he'd never had any heart problem. Daas' parents are always returning and giving us pictures, updating us on Daas' lifestyle. And it brings joy to me to see that he lives a normal life right now.
We couldn't have done it alone. Our partners and donors have been instrumental in our success, providing vital resources and expertise. As we look to the future, we are committed to continuing our mission and expanding our reach. We are exploring new technologies and innovations to improve healthcare outcomes for children across Nigeria. Every child deserves a chance to smile. Let us continue to save little hearts and transform lives together. As we celebrate 10 years of success, we are looking to the future. We are expanding our program to reach even more children and families in need.
We are on a path of making sustainable change within the pediatric cardiac space, within not just Nigeria, but all of Africa. By the grace of God, we will have the first free pediatric cardiac hospital within Africa. That is our goal, that is where our mind is set, and that is what we're going to achieve.
Our team is dedicated to providing the best possible care for our patients. Meet the people who make it all happen. You can be part of this movement. Donate, volunteer, or spread the word. Saving little hearts, transforming lives. Join us in our mission to provide quality healthcare to vulnerable children living with congenital heart defect. Hospitals for Humanity, because every child deserves a chance to thrive.